that's right. And we do have a storm alert day for today for a reason. But here's the flip side. It does look nice out there now. If you have those outdoor plans, I say maybe you have another, maybe up to 4 hours or so, 3 to 4 hours to get those outdoor plans done before the storms roll in. So there will be a dry window, which is what we're seeing out there right now with the sunshine, but don't let that fool you. We are still expecting those storms. Now, as we take a look at our current conditions, we're going to warm up into the 80s. Temperatures a lot like what we saw yesterday. 76 degrees right now, a mix of sun and clouds. We do have those winds coming in from the west-southwest at 11 miles per hour, but it's pretty muggy out there. 62% relative humidity, and the warmth and the mugginess is really going to aid in the severity of those storms that'll push through for the second half of our Wednesday. As we take a look at those temperatures right now, we're continuing to warm on up. We're seeing temperatures mostly in the middle to upper 70s. We're already at 79 degrees in Eatonton. That warm air continuing to push its way northward. It'll warm up in Blairsville as well, 63 degrees right now. But the far northern counties did get some early morning showers and storms. We can see that as we take a look at our live Viper radar. This is the cold front that will eventually push its way eastward. Ahead of this cold front, some of those northern counties got some morning showers and storms, but that's not the severe weather we're expecting. That's more of just the appetizer ahead of the entree. As we take a look at what's happening now, at the end of this cold front, we have seen some severe weather across central portions of Texas, but as we continue to follow this frontal boundary, this is where we're going to see those showers and storms that were to the north this morning are starting to fizzle out. This will give us some drier time for the early afternoon hours before those storms really start to fill in all across North Georgia. We can see that as we take a wide look here at what the atmosphere will be doing over the next few hours. That front moves its way eastward. As it does later this afternoon into this evening, that's when those storms really get ramped up. I think some areas could start to see some isolated storms by around 4 or 5 o'clock. They become more widespread around dinner time and continue through the overnight hours. This model shows those storms sticking around by the time you're heading out for that Thursday morning commute, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. But we do have some models that have the storms out by then. So we're going to keep an eye out to see how those models maybe start to fill in with one story. But as we take a look here, we do hold the potential for some of these storms to stick around through that commute tomorrow morning, which means you're going to want to give yourself that extra drive time as you head out Thursday. As we go into Thursday afternoon, though, that front finally pushes us by, and that's where we're going to start to get some sunshine for the second half of our day tomorrow. Now, let's take a closer look at what we're expecting. And this is the model that has those storms clearing out a little bit sooner. So here you go through the rest of the afternoon, early afternoon hours, we stay mostly clear. By 4 or 5 o'clock, we start to see those storms fill in from the north. We could still be dry in metro Atlanta by these afternoon hours, but to the north, you're going to see the first approach of those storms. From the north, they start to push their way southward. Metro Atlanta, you're really looking for the heavier storms 6, 7, 8 o'clock this evening. So you have until then to get those outdoor activities done or maybe run those errands. We see those stronger storms this evening. They linger into the overnight hours, just kind of on and off showers and storms. And then this model showing the severity out by tomorrow morning, but you could see some lingering showers as opposed to storms. All of this again clearing out as we go into our Thursday afternoon. Those temperatures will drop a bit into the middle to upper 70s for our Thursday behind those storms. As far as severe weather is concerned, we're looking for the strongest storms just to the west across portions of Mississippi and Alabama. But a good portion of our viewing area is under this level 2 out of 5 for severe weather. We're looking for our biggest threats to be damaging winds. We could even see some large hail and maybe even a few isolated tornadoes. With those showers and storms, they're going to dump a ton of water in a short amount of time. So in addition to the severe weather, we want to watch for some flooding between this afternoon into tomorrow morning. Most of us could see maybe a couple inches of rainfall. Some isolated areas could see maybe up to 4 inches, and that's a lot of water all at once. That's where you want to watch for the rising flood waters there. So we have that severe storm alert day in place today. That leads into early tomorrow morning. We clear out a bit Friday, and then by the time we're moving into this weekend, we're looking for more shower chances. And it's looking like as you take mom out for that Mother's Day brunch, you might need that umbrella. Paul?
No.